You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names and how to pronounce them correctly, stay tuned. The English pronunciation first is usually as Estes. It's a boy's name of Latin origin, meaning of the East, also some Greek origin maybe. Estes. In Spanish, the pronunciation, how to pronounce Estes. Estes. But in English, Estes. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.